Heart sounds. These are the sounds produced by the mechanical activities of the heart during each cardiac cycle. And the heart sounds are produced by the flow of blood through cardiac chambers and contraction of the cardiac muscles, and also by the closure of the valves of the heart. These heart sounds can be heard by placing the ear over the chest or by using the stethoscope or the microphone. And these are recorded graphically. And the four heart sounds are: first heart sound, it is the lub, and it occurs during the closure of the atrioventricular valves. And the second heart sound is a dub, and it occurs during the closure of a semilunar valves. Normally the first and the second heart sounds can be heard through stethoscope. And the third heart sound, it is a very mild sound. It cannot be heard by using the stethoscope, and it can be heard by using the microphone. And it occurs during the rushing of blood into the ventricles. And the fourth heart sound, it is inaudible during the normal conditions, but it becomes audible during the pathological conditions by the phonocardiogram, and it occurs during the contraction of atria. So these are the heart sounds.